Okay, here's the configuration. I got a router. I hooked up your PoE with power. It's changed since I last checked it. Now that I've got all 4 units together, what I've done is I've hooked them up to see if they can get power. As you can see, they're all getting power, bar 1, which is number 2. Just hooked up to port number 7. So number 2 to port number 7. So just to work out whether it's the cabling or the thing, I'm going to switch port 7 on the PoE. I'm going to switch these 2 cameras because that one seems to be working okay with power and that one seems to be dead. So 1 second. Okay, after switching the power, we know that port 7 is actually working because it has booted camera 1 up perfectly, whereas camera 2 is still dead. Camera 2 does work with PoE, or without PoE, it works on its manual lead, so I can only help but think that the PoE port may be damaged. So what I'll do is I'll just inspect it. Here's the PoE port. Doesn't seem to be any damage. So I'm not sure what to do. But I hope this explains my problem. But I have 3 working cameras and the PoE switch is not failing. My mistake. I was using, this was involved in the testing process. And I'll just bring it over now and I'll plug it in and see does it work when it's just plugged in. Just 1 second. So as you can see now, the unit is plugged in, only using the normal port and the power, and the unit functions perfectly. So I need to find out is there any way of fixing that PoE port without having to replace the unit. Thank you.